Wanna go Mimi's? Huh? Wanna go Mimi's for Grandpa? Where's Grandpa? Where's Grandpa? What was that, Holmes? Huh? What was that? I heard you. Where's Grandpa? Call Grandpa. Call Grandpa. Call him. Call Grandpa. Where's Grandpa? Call Grandpa, mijo. Call him. Alex. Mijo. Hey. Alex. Where's Grandpa, mijo? Where's Grandpa? Grandpa. Papa. Papa. Papa.
Are his eyes going crazy?
Yeah. Papa. 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 Why are they doing that so much?
Crazy.
Why are they doing that so much?
I don't know. They just told us that when it happened, they said there were like mini seizures. Like they weren't seizures, but they were like mini ones. They just said massage him right here, but it doesn't work.
Yeah, it did. It's tough. No.
Sometimes we get
The medication that he's on, though, isn't that what that's for?
we were like, his eyes, like, they go crazy. I guess he can't control them.
Yeah, I never seen him do it so much like that. See?
If they get really bad, like he starts twitching sometimes. It's only when he wakes up.
You
Like
only,
when he wakes up too fast.
I was going to say, you only slept for like 5 minutes.
Yeah. Oh, and he'll be up for the rest of the day. He only sleeps for like 20 minutes.
The medication doesn't help him relax anymore.
The he had one medication that put him to sleep a lot, and we stopped giving to him for that's not good.
Narcotics. Was it narcotic?
I don't know. It was called Cypro.
Like Slade or something?
Yeah.
It's for this one.
Yeah.
What was that?
I can remind me to get him some AirPods. We'll come by on my early day and I can bring him.
Tell Grandma bye.
I'm probably working.
Tell Grandma bye.
Oh, bye.
Say bye, Grandma. Say bye, Grandma.
Bye, Papa. Bye, Papa. Hey. Papa. Hi, Papa. How they doing at school? Good?
Yeah. Yeah.